Wow, so I'm awake and I still literally have sleep in my eyes. I won't even tell you what the time is because, well, it's really late in the morning. I just made my tea. Mm. Sometimes I make the slurpy sound when I check how hot my tea is. Mm. So today I'm just going to be packing orders. I'll show you how I pack my orders because tomorrow from the 4th of May, apparently you can start shipping. So I'm gonna pack all the orders that I have piled up from beginning of lockdown and during lockdown. I'll show you how I do that. And then I'm gonna after I pack that, I'm gonna shower. Then I'm going to prepare prepare for a video because I want to do a YouTube video for today that I can post like probably on Tuesday or something. And yeah, and then I'm gonna make lunch. I don't know if I'll show you the lunch, if I will show you the lunch. But yeah, this is like, I haven't done a vlog in a long time, so I may be rusty, so please do excuse me. So I've literally laid down all my orders. I still need to put thank you cards. I don't know where they are. I've laid down my orders. All of that is the lady stuff going this way. And then I have 3 gent stuff going that way. So I've packed it. And now I'm going to do the thank you cards. Put it in the courier bags. And then, yeah, ready for tomorrow. Ready to ship. Gonna hit the shower and prepare for my YouTube video after this. So finally done packing all of this. I'm done with that. It's super late. It's like past 5. There's no way I can do like a video now because the sun's gonna go down eventually, and now I have a ring light or anything. So yeah, sure. What a lazy ass Sunday. I haven't even started cooking. So this is basically like, it's been a vlog of just proof basically of how lazy I can be if I want to be, and how I can take forever if I really want to take forever to do stuff. The day's over. I'm gonna cook. It's not lunch anymore. I'm gonna cook supper, and first I'm gonna shower because I've been saying that I'm gonna shower, then come and cook, eat, and then rest because the day's gone in any case. So yeah, that was my vlog. This is me within my element. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I had expected it to be a little bit more exciting, but I guess not. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, tell me what you've been up to during the lockdown.